Hi and welcome to my HTML tutorial for beginners series. In this lesson, I will show you the header tag. I quickly want to point out that the header tag is not the same as the head tag. The head comes before the body and is used for metadata such as the site title and the description. The header tag is added to the body, however. It should contain introductory information. Examples of such information are navigational links, one or more heading tags, a logo, and/or a search form. Let's see how the syntax looks like. In this example, I am including introductory information about the whole page, so I am adding the header tag right after the body tag. It has an opening and closing header tag. Inside, I simply add an H1 with the site title, in this case Pro Web Design London. Then I also add an image, which is the company logo. If I open the page in the browser, this is how it looks like. It is not exactly pretty as there is no styling applied to it. You are not limited to one header tag per page, you can add several, but there are some rules to remember. You cannot nest a header tag inside another header tag. You can also not add it to a footer tag or an address tag. Both of these I will cover in a later video. I will show you another example. Let's say I have a blog post and I want to add its content to an article tag. Inside this tag, I can then have a header with introductory information about that specific blog post. Let's implement this. I am adding the article tags and within it the header. Then I add an H1 with the blog title. Additionally, I will also add an image. After the end header tag, I can then add my content. Here I'm just adding one paragraph as a placeholder. If we have a look at the page, we can see a very basic blog post. So that's it for this episode about headers. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and I will try to reply. In the next video, I will cover the nav tags. If you are interested in front-end web development, consider subscribing. I post tutorials at least once a week. Thanks for watching. Bye!